Guys, are you tired of spending your hard-earned money on expensive skincare products that promise to give you glowing, flawless skin? Well, don't worry. We have our very own Kareena Kapoor Khan giving out skincare secrets for clear, radiant skin which you can make at home. She swears by her DIY face masks that use natural ingredients from Indian kitchens, and we are here to spill the tea on her secret recipe. So let's get started. For our first remedy, we are going to use sandalwood powder, vitamin E oil, turmeric powder and milk. Let's take a bowl. Let's take some sandalwood powder. Add 2 teaspoons of sandalwood powder to the bowl. Sandalwood or chandan is a popular beauty ingredient in India known for its amazing medicinal properties. It helps remove suntan, soothes sunburns and helps in getting rid of pimples, dark spots, blackheads and acne. Take vitamin E capsule. Let's add 2 drops of vitamin E to the bowl. Vitamin E is believed to be a potent ingredient for your skin that is a powerhouse of antioxidants that protect your skin from UV damage. Its moisturizing properties keep your skin healthy and hydrated. Take some turmeric powder. Add a pinch of turmeric powder. Turmeric or haldi has always been an integral part of Indian kitchens and can do wonders for your skin. It has antioxidants that help in delaying the signs of aging, and its anti-inflammatory properties calm and soothe irritated skin and acne-prone skin. Take some milk. Add a few drops of milk. You can adjust the quantity of milk according to the consistency of the mask. Milk keeps your skin healthy and soft by treating all the dryness and flakiness in the summer months. It has vitamin D, which increases collagen production and makes your skin glow. Regular application of milk on your face helps in treating uneven skin tone and makes your skin bright. Let's mix all the ingredients. Let's see the consistency. It's really smooth and it's not very thick, but at the same time it's not very runny as well. If you wish, you can replace milk with honey, which is also Kareena's favorite skincare ingredient. Now that the mask is ready, let's do a patch test. I'm going to apply it on my hand. It has a really nice smell because of the sandalwood. And as I said, the mixture is very smooth and it feels really nice on my hands. Once your patch test is successful, you can apply it on your face and leave it there for 20 minutes and wash it off with normal water. Make sure to use a hydrating moisturizer after it. Let's get to our second mask. Our second homemade remedy is a DIY mask using honey, rose water and multani mitti. Take a bowl, take some honey, add 1 teaspoon of honey to the bowl. Honey helps your body's healing process, which may help fade acne scars. It has great benefits like skin brightening, hydration and prevention of acne breakouts. It also helps in soothing irritated skin and gives a natural glow. It offers deep hydration because it is a natural humectant. Add 1 tablespoon of multani mitti to the bowl. Multani mitti may be an effective home remedy for pimples or acne, as well as marks left by healed acne. This clay may be used daily to keep the skin clean and healthy. Multani mitti may exhibit absorbent properties, aiding in eliminating excess oil from the skin and preventing pimples. Take some rose water. Add it to the mixture till you get a paste-like consistency. Rose water is a natural solution to treat various skincare and healthcare issues. Its ability to soothe the skin's inflammation and maintain its natural pH balance makes it a primary choice among skincare enthusiasts. Let's mix it well. And now let's see the consistency. It has a very thick consistency, as you can see. Let's do a patch test. I'm going to try it on my hand. As I said, the mixture is thick and it's very smooth and it's smelling very nice. Once the patch test is successful, you can apply the mixture to your face and neck. Leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes and rinse with water upon drying. This formula helps in reducing redness or inflammation on irritated skin and removes the dead skin cells which cause the skin to look dehydrated and dull. Alternatively, a more natural application includes using raw unpasteurized honey or manuka honey on a freshly washed face, or you can even dilute it with water. So here's a small recap. For our first DIY pack, we use sandalwood powder, vitamin E oil, turmeric powder and milk. Apply it on the face for 20 minutes and then wash it off with normal water. For our second DIY pack, we used honey, rose water and multani mitti. Apply it on the face for 15 minutes and then wash it off with normal water. Also remember, please consult a medical practitioner to know what is right for you. So there you have it, friends. The secret to Kareena Kapoor's glowing skin is natural ingredients that you can find in your own kitchen. Say goodbye to expensive skincare products and try out these simple yet effective DIY masks for yourself. Don't forget to share your thoughts on this and keep watching this space for more such content.